Is Froya Organics truly a skincare breakthrough or just another overhyped product riding the wave of natural beauty trends? With bold claims of transforming over 80,000 users' skin using 100% natural, Arctic herb-based formulas, Froya's range, including the complete system for mature women's skin and the ultra-fast relief balm, promises to reduce wrinkles, dark circles, and even kill acne-causing bacteria. That's a lot of promises for any skincare brand to make. So today, we're cutting through the marketing noise to find out if Froya Organics is actually delivering real results or just capitalizing on the clean beauty buzz. Starting with the ingredients, Froya highlights rare Arctic botanicals like cloudberry seed oil, Arctic thyme, and wild blueberry extract, all of which are rich in antioxidants and said to promote skin regeneration. These ingredients do have some science behind them, but Froya's claims often go beyond what the available research fully supports. While the brand boasts a glowing 4.8-star rating on Trustpilot and positive discussions on Reddit where users share impressive before and after photos, we also found a fair number of negative experiences. Some users have reported breakouts, allergic reactions, and irritation, possibly due to the potency of the natural extracts. On top of that, Froya's subscription model has drawn criticism, with several customers mentioning difficulty canceling or unexpected charges, which adds an unnecessary layer of frustration. The company promotes clinical testing and dermatologist recommendations, but much of the evidence they present is vague or lacks detailed sources, leaving room for doubt. That said, not everything is negative. There are genuine success stories where users, especially women with mature or sensitive skin, noticed firmer skin, reduced puffiness, and more even skin tone within a few weeks. However, others found the results inconsistent or underwhelming, especially given the premium price. So is Froya Organics legit or just clever branding? Based on what we uncovered, it's not a scam, but it's also not the miracle solution it's marketed as. It may work wonders for some and do nothing for others, and that's the honest truth.